In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay focused with real-time Jira notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into Jira. Open up your web browser and navigate to your Jira account. It's essential to ensure that you're logged into the account that's associated with the project you're working on, as this will give you access to all the necessary features. The next step is selecting your project. Once you're logged in, find the specific Jira project or dashboard from which you want to receive updates. This is important because you'll want to make sure that the notifications you receive are directly relevant to your work. Now, let's access the More menu. Look for the three dots icon that represents More options, typically located in the top right corner or within the project menu area. Clicking on this icon will bring up additional options that you'll need for the next steps. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to open the Apps section. This section is where you can manage integrations and explore the marketplace for additional functionality that can enhance your workflow. Once you're in the Apps section, it's time to search for the connector you need. Use the search bar on the Apps page and type in Advanced Microsoft Teams Connector for Jira. This connector is specifically designed to help integrate Jira updates with Microsoft Teams, allowing you to stay focused without getting overwhelmed by notifications. When the search results come up, select the correct app to open its details page. It's crucial to ensure that you are selecting the right connector, as there may be other similar apps available. After confirming it's the right one, click the Install button. You might need to go through some prompts to confirm permissions or installation details, so be sure to follow any on-screen instructions carefully. Once the installation is complete, it's time to configure your notifications. You'll want to set up the specific triggers that will send updates directly to Teams. This might include options such as issue creation, status changes, or even comments on tasks. Picking the right triggers is essential. This way you receive notifications that are genuinely useful to you without cluttering your feed. Lastly, you'll need to choose a destination for these notifications. Here, you can select the specific Microsoft Teams channel or chat where you would like the notifications to appear. This step is important for keeping your project communications organized. By directing updates to a particular channel, you can reduce distractions in your main feed and maintain your focus on the task at hand. And there you have it. You're all set to receive real-time Jira notifications in Microsoft Teams, helping you stay productive and focused. Remember to check in occasionally to adjust your notifications as needed, ensuring they continue to meet your requirements. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.